Silverado 1500. Start, change, wheel start, front driver. First, what are you gonna do? Take the tire off, take the caliper. Okay, is a star on here. Okay, is a star screw. You have to make sure you take these little things out here so you don't damage the thing, the brake lines. Okay, just take this off, brakes. Alright, I'll be with you one second. Alright, just go ahead and knock it off from here. Hammer it to here. Okay, it's easy and simple. And with the new one. Okay. Gotta hit this one here. All the way. Alright, yes. Okay, it's easy and simple now. You put the new one in there. Okay, you put the new one in here. Okay. And hammer. What you're gonna do is just put a little bigger screw in here and put the stud here. Okay, and use the air gun to pull this thing out. That's it, easy and simple. Thank you.